And she's back with another Temu haul for you all. You guys say, Rhonda, please keep bringing them back. And I say less. It's kind of one of my fun things to haul. I will let you guys know your girl is dealing with like a headache right here. Like, who gets a headache just right here? You guys know? I don't know. I have no clue. I think it's because it's about to rain. Anyways, before we jump into today's video, if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Rhonda over here. It is a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, and love to talk about Temu unboxings. If you've never heard of Temu, I'll stick around, stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you all about it. But before we jump in, I do want to give a big, huge shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. Thank you guys so much for helping to support the channel each and every single month. To those of you clicking the thanks button and tipping and donating to the channel, thank you guys bunches. And for those of you that keep coming back, chatting with me in the comment section, following me on my other socials, as well as sharing this video over on Facebook, can I just say a big, huge, ginormous thank you. Now, if you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an app that you can download. So I have a special little link down in my description box for you guys that is going to give you some really good dealios on a whole bunch of stuff. So I clicked the link and it was some of my favorites, some of like house decor, things for your pets, things for my grand pups. I got a whole bunch of favorite things over there. On top of that, I do have a whole Temu playlist, not only over here, but on my other channels as well. I'll have my channels linked down below for you guys if you want to go check out some of the other Temu items that I've hauled. Now, they don't just have pet things or home decor. They also have makeup, beauty, camping things. They have tactical supplies. They have life jackets. FYI, if you're looking into life jackets, one of you friends did tell me last year when I had gotten like a blue one or a black one, go for more brighter shades. So if you are looking for life jackets, definitely make sure to go for bright. It's just much easier for the Coast Guard and everybody to see you. On top of that, there is going to be a coupon code. It's a $100 bundle coupon for new and existing users, and the code is DKW3852. I'll pop it up on the screen for you guys. Every user can check the special items price under $1 every day. Temu always has good deals going on. I mean, let's be honest. They have free shipping, free returns, like 90 days for returns, as well as price adjustment. The first thing that I picked out is like this little wall hanging basket, but I thought this would be cute maybe if you have like tiny spaces. So I thought, oh, this could be cute in a bathroom, this could be cute in a laundry room. You get 3 little baskets. It's a wicker kind of feeling baskets, and you can put you guys see they got the little hose in there as well. Oh, I did want to let you guys know, I wrote this down for you guys. One of you guys asked about Temu and getting a hold of them, like customer service. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. If you have any questions with Temu, you can email help@temu.com. One of you guys had asked me in one of my prior videos, and I know that I responded to your comment, but I thought it would just be easier to talk about it in today's video as well. So anyways, this is really cute. It may have come in other colors. It did kind of get a little bit in shipping, but it's not bad. It's still totally usable, and in all honesty, the quality is really good on this. Like, I thought it was going to be more of a flimsy type of basket. Anyways, I think like it's going to be nice to be able to put toiletries in. Any type of like laundry things might work too. So if you didn't know, I have a kitty cat, a Cutie Kitty sugar dumpling. She's sitting right over here relaxing. She was actually sitting on my lap and then I got up, so she took my spot. But when I say Temu has so many different things, they really truly do. And I feel like these are things that we don't necessarily think about. It's better to be, in my opinion, safe than sorry. And Temu has them. So they're little pet alerts. So God forbid something happens, you can put these on your windows. Knows like, hey, I've got X amount of cats and everything, and if there's any special needs, emergency contacts, all of that information is going to be there. Next in here, I got a 4-piece set of non-stick silicone cake molds. Now, right now, they're $8.41. They do price adjustments all the time. They do lightning deals all the time. So there is a good chance that the price could change, which, like I said, they have price adjustments, so it's not going to matter. But these are little silicone cake molds, and my youngest loves to bake, and I thought this would come in really handy. And I'm low-key a little curious. Let me know if you guys know, can I put silicone molds like this in my air fryer? Anyways, I thought this would be nice because it's like easy to pop out, and that way you can have like a really cute little layered cake. I always get my little flag decors from Temu. They're really nice. They hold up well, and they're double-sided, so it's not just like one, and I love them, and they're crazy affordable. So I got this on my diabetes-ish. So I typically had to carry around a sugar checker, is what I called it. So, oh my gosh, it's like a double set. How cool is that? And if you have to like keep your insulin cool, you've got that option. But yeah, I used to carry around a little like finger pricker. Now I have the thing that sticks to the back of my arms, and it's so much easier. Like, matter of fact, right now, I mean, it's tracking me, and it's awesome, and I can just go to the app and figure out what my glucose is. But anyways, I thought this would be something nice to have. It was right before that I got the thingy for my arm, but this is a really nice little travel friendly thing to throw in your purse, and I feel like it'll come in really handy. I've got like a bunch of little, like I said, vitamins that I take, so I can put my vitamin case in here. All right, next in here I picked out Little Miss Cutie Kitty sugar dumplings, aka baby, aka turkey tender, and she will answer to all of that. So story time, we tried a collar with her. She's not a huge fan, so we thought maybe we could, I don't even know if this will fit her. I don't, she's a little thicker than a Snicker, so we can try. But I thought this was really cute, and the price was so much better than other places that we had looked around. So this will definitely fit her. We're good with this. And then it came with a leash, so it's a nice little 3-piece set. And hopefully, maybe if you guys have any tips, we were thinking like trying to walk her. I do want to get a stroller for her. I think she would look so adorable in a stroller. If that one didn't fit, we did go with a no pull full 4-buckle harness. This can be for dogs or cats. Now, my husband had gone to the local pet store and had gotten one for her in the biggest size, and it didn't really work out. Okay, it didn't work out, and the lady there was like, maybe you should look into dog size harnesses. So that's what I did, and this one's really heavy duty. Like, this one's really nice. I really like the way it buckles, and for her, I think this is probably going to be the best bet. It's a bit larger in size. It's got like the clips and all of that, so I guess you could wear it this way or this way. And it's pink, so I love that. And these are expandable and everything, so we'll see. Like, right now, every time we've tried to put a collar or a harness on her, she does that. She doesn't hurt you, she just warns you, like, no, that's not my journey, just like that. So yeah, we'll see. All right, next in here, sometimes I like to think that I can conquer everything between work, mom duties, wife, all of that, and then I think I'm a painter. And if you guys didn't know, I legitimately had like the flu or something and decided to paint and push through it. Stupid thing. Painted my whole downstairs for the most part. Actually, not for the most part, I did it. And one of the things that I felt like would come in really handy, so the next time I get a wild hair up my backside, I'll have this. And it is in fact a little paintbrush, but it has a guard on it. So as you're painting, you don't have to worry about things splashing around. Because your girl is really hopeful that if I do decide, I do have to paint the bathroom down here. Not looking forward to that. But anyways, here's all the little options that it offers. I mean, like I said, Temu literally has a bunch of different gadgety things, and it's really nice. So next in here, I like to put little notes in my kids' lunches. Well, right now I only pack one of my children's lunches, and we always have a note. They have these little cute little sticky notepads. They came in different colors, but I really like this little gingham. Hippity hoppity, get off of my property. You guys, I literally have no trespassing, private property, no soliciting, and where I live, you're not even allowed, like in our county, you're not even allowed to solicit or whatever it's called, and people will still do it. And I'm like, you've got some guts coming up to people's property. Like, I know, like some areas you could do it and that's cool, but like nowadays, I don't want no one on my property. I thought, you know, if you can't read the 15 signs I have walking up to my property, maybe this will get you. Guess what? I got a Moissanite piece. Now, if you have never checked out the Temu Moissanite, it's certified, guys. So it comes with a certification card, and then Oh, this is so pretty. I swear by the Temu jewelry, guys. This is an anniversary, like a past, present, and forever. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I love that. That is so pretty. That's a yes for me. I got that in a size 6, and it's a good sturdy piece of jewelry, guys. I think I'll put like a wedding band with it. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And it came in like this nice little travel friendly. I'm not going to throw this away because I love these kind of things. Like, it's plastic, but you don't have to worry about anything getting lost. More organization. Love that. So we've got these little organization baskets. Here, let me show you guys the cool thing about this and what my plans are for this. So my thought process is, like, you could easily cut like cucumbers, carrots, put some grapes in here, some cherries in here. You know, you could do fruits with it, you know, take it out. If you are a crafty mom, you could put little chalks and crowns and erasers, like different little things, and then it's got a lid in here. So I feel like you could multi-purpose this and do so many cutesy things with this. Another thing is you could kind of go outside the box with Easter coming up, and you could put different little candies in here. You could use this too, like if you have a shindig going on, you could also put little fun things in here and take it to the event, like with the lid on, and then pop it off. Like, I love little gadgety things like that. All right, next in here, because once again I have a cat now, and I now wear her hair all over me. I got a big lint roller, and I thought this would be good in my car, you know? And like before I go in somewhere, I could just like roll myself down. If you're going on a trip, I thought this could be like something I take with me. I probably will. So yeah, they have a lot of different size lint rollers too. I love that. That's where I get my lint rollers. I got some sponges because you can't beat the deal of their sponges. And look how cute they are. Isn't that so precious? They're little teddy bear scrubbers. And it's a 2-pack. Isn't that so cute? This is where I get my bestie on here, does a lot of Temu shopping too. And she got like a 4 or 6-pack or something of sponges. So now that's where I get my sponges. That's where I get my toilet bowl cleaners, everything. You just can't beat it. This is a huge Temu haul, guys. So this is a safety device for your car. So I already have, I think, 2 of them, and I needed another one for my child. So it is a glass hammer and then a seatbelt slicer. So God forbid something were to happen, you have this in your car. I swear by these, and everybody who's a driver in my house has one in their car because you can never be too safe. All right, next in here, this is another repick because once again, I've gotten this for one of my kiddos, okay? Now my other kid saw it and was like, Mom, I'd really like that. This is not an umbrella, guys. It's actually a sun visor thing. Hold on. I've shown it to you guys before, but it opens up and it's in like an umbrella format. So see, you can just open it up and you put it right in your dashboard. My youngest uses theirs all the freaking time. And so my son was like, Mom, I'd really love one. I picked out another one. And these are crazy nice. Really good, really durable. And like I said, my 18-year-old, so sad to say, loves it. Next in here, did you know that you could get cards at Temu better, cheaper than if you ran to the dollar store? Yeah. You can pick out cards, and it comes with the envelope and everything. They have funny ones, they have sweet ones, whatever you're looking for. In banana years, your bread. Yeah, I thought that was funny. All right, next in here, we've got a little put together Squirrel House. So I'm definitely going to be putting that together when the weather gets nice. And it's literally like, I'll pop a picture up, but it's kind of like a Lincoln log or something. Little puzzles, and it even comes, you guys, look at this. If you guys don't know, I feed all animals here. Yeah, I'm so excited. I've got bird feeders that I've gotten from Temu. Now I've got a squirrel feeder, aka also it's gonna be a Chipper's feeder too, because yes, Chipper still comes around if you've been with me for a while. I got a little pack of these To-Dos. I thought these could come in really handy. They come in different colors too, but if my kids are pretty organized, but they also they all have ADHD, so they need like little notes and stuff. So I thought this was something cute, and with Easter coming up, I'm gonna put it in the basket. This was something that I didn't read, but it works out. I've got a container to hold her food in, and this is like the sticker you can put on top of it so people know it's cat food. Not that I think you'd think it was cereal, but you know what I'm saying. So I picked that out. This is because of y'all. Y'all know that I have the beaded, blinged out Stanley looking drink cup. Well, you guys said, I was telling you guys how last year when we were driving down to the lake, I would put it in there and then I'd lose some of the like diamonds. And you guys said, Rhonda, they actually make little silicone things to put on your drink thingy. And I was like, are you joking me? So yeah, I picked one out. It came in different colors, I think, but I just went with like this nice little sparkly one. I thought it was perfect. I actually got this because you know how people park like complete and utter a-holes? Yeah. So I thought to have a little fun to put on my car. I just thought these were really cute. I mean, there's times that I've literally had to go out in the back and crawl over the seats to get to my car. So I thought, you know, this is cute. It's funny. It would give me a chuckle if I parked next to somebody like that, you know? That if I parked next to somebody that had that, I'd be like, oh my God, this person has a great sense of humor. Okay, friends, that is everything in today's Temu haul. We have so much more to get through. I've got, like I said, jewelry. I got all kinds of stuff coming, so stick around, stay tuned, and check my description box down below for everything that I showed you in today's video. Like I said, if I happen to miss something, don't worry, leave me a little comment. I'll do my best to get you guys a link down below. Again, check out this ring. I've got more moissanites coming. You guys keep requesting it. I got you. It's happening. Anyways, thank you to Temu for working with me in today's video and letting me pick out these items. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. I'm gonna go rest because I definitely can feel it. I feel it, and Mama ain't got no time to be sick. Nuh-uh. Anyways, friends, until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.
I didn't know something was wrong. Here I was dreaming we got along so perfectly and wordlessly. Had I been there some of the time, I would have seen all of the signs.